Greetings. I'm glad to be here again today. Today I'll be talking about industries which are benefiting from T9 AI chips. T9 AI chips are driving a wave of transformation across sectors by fusing high-speed data processing with energy efficiency. Two traits that resonate deeply in focusing on infrastructure and tech adaptations are as follows. Here's a breakdown of the industries which are seeing greatest impact: manufacturing and industrial automation. T9 chips enable real-time predictive maintenance and quality control in smart factories. Energy efficient processing reduces downtime and supports edge-based robotic coordination. These T9 chips, which are enabling predictive maintenance and quality control in smart factories, such as factories that are manufacturing home equipment, such as refrigerator, such as electric stoves, such as microwaves. Those informations are real time and it can be detected. And also the T9 captures the information and the engineers can retrieve the information from the T9 chips within those equipment. Transportation and rail systems. AI-enhanced chips help optimize rail signals systems, route planning, and energy usage. They improve safety protocols with instant anomaly detections from sensor data. Fintechs and algorithm trading. It's like lightning. The information is captured, the information is retrieved, the information is displayed. So the lightning fast analytics reduce latency in high frequency trading. Secure low power chips boost blockchain validation and fraud detection models. Digital marketing and search engine optimization. T9 chips accelerate web crawling, content scoring, and real-time search engine results page monitoring. Lower cloud costs increase more scalable search engine optimization campaigns, which ties perfectly in generating leads for online marketing and sales. Healthcare and medical imaging. Enhanced T9 chips allow for rapid processing of MRI, CT scans, and genomic data. They support AI diagnostic tools at the edge, streamlining workflows and reducing hospital energy footprints. In supply chain and logistics, the real-time route optimization and inventory forecasting driven by efficient data crunching. The chips help automation systems adapt faster to weather, traffic, and demand fluctuation. Climate tech and energy modeling. T9 chips power simulation for renewable integration, carbon offset modeling, and grid balance.